Using Unity Dash, the desktop search tool that comes with Ubuntu, you can search for files, applications, and content from other sources from the Ubuntu desktop. In this video, I'll demonstrate the basic use of Dash and an important privacy setting you may want to set. So, the Dash, if you look up in the upper left-hand corner, by default, it says Search a Computer and Online Sources. This little button with the Ubuntu logo on it, this is how you launch Unity Dash. Now, if your keyboard has a Windows key, sometimes in Linux speak we call it the generic super key on our keyboard, we can press that key and it will bring up Dash for us. And then we can enter our search term here, or you can just click the button in the upper left. Now, if I want to search for something, let's say terminal, it brings up applications that are associated with terminal, like the terminal application. Or let's say if I want Office, it shows LibreOffice, like the writer, the spreadsheets, etc. But you'll notice here, there's also some more suggestions with price tags. This may look kind of strange to you at first, but note the default setting for Dash is to search for some online sources. In this case, it could be Amazon or eBay or some other online sources that you see in the list here, these sources. So I can remove one and add another. So be aware that this is what's happening and this is some of the information you see. You may not like searching your local computer for these online sources. It does seem like maybe a bit of a privacy concern. If you are concerned about this, then let's go to our system settings. So we can search for settings, open up system settings. And this is the important privacy setting that I mentioned in the beginning. Oh, it looks like I have an error. It's not a good sign. I'll continue. Should only take a moment to come up. There we go. So security and privacy in system settings. Go to search. And here it says include online search results. It's set to on. So you might want to opt out of it and turn it off because you don't want your local computer queries going out to the web to some third-party source. I recommend turning it off, but if you need it, then you can always re-enable it. The other thing I'll mention is the toolbar at the bottom here. You can narrow your search. If I only want to search for applications, I can change it to the A. So it shows software, files and folders on our computer, videos, music, photos, and social media content that may be included in our searches. So I can turn some of this off, sources, I can turn these off. And if I just want to have applications and files and folders, I can set it that way. And it should no longer go to the web for these sources. And that concludes this introduction to Unity Dash.